don't think them people would like.
The grass is as tall as the track.
There's a good one. Oh my God, boy, what you been eating? You're a healthy boy. You seen that plopper? You said no. That's mine. Look at that. Heck yeah. Biggest whopper plopper fish of the day. Largemouth. You guys come here real quick while I grab the scale. There you guys go. Turned on. Zeroed out. That can't be right. 2 pounds, 2.4. 2.4. Wow, I thought that fish was bigger. I thought he was 3, but hey, he's just eating good. Look at him. Heck yeah. Where's my phone at? I haven't done this in a while. All right, got a picture. Get a release on him. You gonna jump for us? No. Man, she was healthy. Did you see her?
Yeah, fat.
Yep, largemouth. Man, that was cool. Awesome. That was definitely the biggest fish of the day.